Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to rotate fan in Blender. Let's start. Delete the original cube, go to Add menu, and from Mesh add Cylinder. Go to the left corner menu and decrease the vertices number to 12. Also decrease the depth to a suitable length. Change the object mode to edit mode. Change the select mode to face select. Select the shown faces by pressing Shift while selecting the faces. Change the transform orientation to normal. And change the transform pivot point to individual origins. Press I, then decrease the faces area. And press E, then move the mouse to change the size of the fans. Press S and adjust the size of fans. Change the mode to edit mode. Right-click and select Shade Smooth. At timeline, go to 0 position. And activate the auto keying. Press RZ0, then press Enter. An animation with orange color added. Go to 60-degree position, then press RZ 360 and Enter. Another animation with orange color added. Change the editor type to Graph Editor. Then select Z yaw rotation. Right-click and select Linear. Select Modifiers. And from Add Modifier, select Cycles. Change the editor type to Timeline. Check your animation. That was all.
Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.